So it came from a movie line. The movie is Mr. Mom, Michael Keaton, and he has like an executive job, but he loses his job. He loses his employment, and so he's forced to go home. And through job searching, he can't find employment for a while, and so they have a discussion between him and his wife, and the wife finds a job almost immediately when she goes to look, but they got kids at home. So of course, when the husband comes home, all kinds of things ensue. He's trying to be a mom now instead of a dad that goes to work, and so there's all kinds of, as you can imagine, the story is pretty funny. But there's a time where she is getting ready to fly off to New York with the guy who's the president of this executive company that hires her. And he shows up in a limousine to pick her up to go to the airport. Well, the husband, Michael Keaton, is in the house and knows that he's getting ready to come to the door. So he goes, gets a pair of bib overalls on and a chainsaw and some goggles. And when they open the door, he's running the chainsaw. And so he says to the guy when he steps in, he shuts the chainsaw off and he's like, "What are you doing?" He's like, "Well, I figure I'm going to be home for a while. I might as well knock this into the house out and, do a room addition over here and put in all new electrical."
Yeah, you're going to make it all 220?
Yeah, 220, 221, whatever it takes.
Well, you sound like a pretty handy guy.
Yeah, well,
indicating that he had no idea what he was doing. And so it became a funny byline for a while. But one of the follow-ups to that is that the byline, whatever it takes, has become something totally different and more sincere for our company and what it is that we do. And in construction, it takes a lot. It takes a tremendous amount of effort, a tremendous amount of planning, and a tremendous amount of execution. And so the byline, whatever it takes, has become something very near and dear to my heart.